Hey, y'all. It's your girl, and we are back for part 2 of the vendor's table video. Wanted to just give you guys a closer look and a walk with me on the actual day of the event as I prepared and stocked my table, interacted with clients and customers that became friends, as you guys will see, and just experienced a lovely time. I told you guys my main focus with preparing this table was I wanted to bring the vibe of ICU Glam to everyone that I met that day. So from appearances to interactions and shopping from beginning to end, I wanted people to feel me and feel my vibe. So enjoy, guys. I hope you've learned something from this. I hope you felt the vibe even through the video, and I hope you loved it. We'll chat later.
Alright guys, so I made it. I did take some videos of me setting up the table. But yeah, this is the final product. What do you feel about it? Like,
it's not sticky at all. Sticky. It doesn't make me feel like I can eat, and then crumbs are gonna get all over my face.
So there you have it, guys. My first experience at my vendor's table. It was honestly so awesome and so beautiful and such an amazing experience to share with new people, and it was really perfect timing at this point in my journey of ICU Glam. I just felt like it was a reminder for me of where I started and why I started and where I want to go, and my journey with working with young girls and empowering girls everywhere to follow their dreams and be everything it is that they aspire to be. Eleanor Roosevelt once said, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams," and there's nothing more beautiful than knowing and following and chasing your dreams. So let this be your personal reminder, if you needed it, to chase your dreams, because she is clothed in strength and dignity, and she laughs without the fear of the future. Proverbs 31, verse 25. Lots of love.
Facing the rising sun of our new day begun. Let us march on till victory is won.
It's just working there. And if you talk to these ladies, they'll blow you away. And I knew if I got black women in a room, they would do exactly that. Blow you away. So that's why you're here. So welcome. Just in case you thought you was at the wrong event. Alright? But this event is also important because this is one of our fundraising events that we have at the Thorough Initiative. Right? And it's big for us because guess what? We provide free programming for kids in this area. Right? Yes.